ஒரு கதை சொல்லட்டா சார்?
Hello, my name is Soundararajan. I'm an educator, entertainer, and a storyteller, and you're watching Soundar Speaks Kuti Story number 10. Now, how many of you, after starting a business, stuck at a point where you are mentally, physically, financially, you're not able to move forward, not able to think anything else apart from facing failures? One such thing happened to a student who got graduated, started a fresh business, became a young entrepreneur, but he was facing difficulties. He was stuck and he was not able to think anything. So he went to his favorite professor who taught him everything in the college. He used to, think of him as an ideal and inspiration. So he went to the college and he met him, and they had a cup of coffee, and the discussion happened that how is the business going, what kind of business you're doing, and the young entrepreneur replied everything, that this is the business setup, and finally he mentioned the professor that I'm facing a bit of crisis in the business. I'm not able to think anything. I have a financial, crisis, and I'm not able to do anything, and I'm not able to come out of it. So the professor smiled and asked him that if I'm able to give you 86,400 rupees every day. The student got happy that the professor is able to read his mind. So the professor continued that if I'm able to give you 86,400 rupees, the only thing is that you cannot spend that money tomorrow. You have to spend it today, whatever you need to do. What will you do? So he said that I will invest and I'll think of various things which I can do it, of that money. The only aspect the professor said that you cannot invest back or save it again. You need to spend it, whatever you need to do. So student was excited. He jotted out on a paper that these are all the things which he will do. He will buy stuff for him. He will think of something to invest for future. He'll buy some land, gold, whatever he could. The list went and on and on and on. And he said, every day I will give you. Like today, once the 12 o'clock clocks in, the next day morning, again 86,400 rupees will come into your account, which you need to spend. So, then the boy thought that it's some kind of a joke. So the professor explained that this 86,400 rupees, which I was mentioning, is an equal thing of 86,400 seconds, which is your time. So always remember, the time is money, and if you're not spending your time correctly of that day, which you cannot invest back, once the time is gone, you cannot invest it back, you cannot get it back. Like the money, you need to plan your day, you need to plan your time, you need to invest your time on things, you need to kind of make your day in such a way that for sure out of that 24 hours, if you put your time for 8 to 10 hours also, you would have not been in the situation. So moral of the story is like that many of us, while we are in the crisis, we always think of that problem, not the solution, and do not utilize the time and delay things. There are time, including me, I have delayed things which could have been easily done at that point of time. Either it is too easy to do, so we delay. There are a lot of distractions also, especially social media nowadays. We distract ourselves in such a way that things we could do, we should do, we delay, on that day, and we delay to do it tomorrow. Or if you do not do things, like I mentioned the other day, there is a my favorite recent times, an African proverb that if you want to move the mountains, you need to start picking up the stones. The problem is that we delay and we spend our time in other things apart from picking up the stones. That's the problem. And then we cry out that we don't have time, or the time is gone, we are not getting opportunities, we are into crisis. All that things will be solved if you utilize your time correctly in a day. And nobody, I can guarantee you in this situation, Nobody will be facing failure. Success in terms of you, if you are aiming, for something, but you need to start slow. If you are aiming for something big, you need to start now. If you don't start, then it will never ever happen. So always utilize your time, and time is money. Once again, I want to reiterate that time is money now if you have time. Because earlier people used to say, no, I do this, I don't have time. Now I can guarantee you people have at least 2 hours to spend on improving on themselves. So do that, and you will see the difference. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching Sounder Speaks. Please like, subscribe the channel Sounder Speaks, and I'll share some motivational stories that I hope it inspires you to become a better person than you were yesterday. Thank you so much once again. Have a lovely day.